Okay, now come in butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. Let's start flapping the knees. Keep the sole of the feet joined. Wear a gentle smile on your face. Feel the subtle stretch in your inner thighs. And inhale, raise your hands up, lengthen your spine. Give yourself a nice stretch. Up, 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 up. And as you exhale, place your palms on your knees and firmly press the knees down. What you have to ensure here is that you feel no pressure in the knee joint. Just intensify the stretch in your inner thighs. If you feel any pressure in the back or the knee, just quit the pose. Keep breathing slow and long. Hinge with your hips and pulse. The goal here is not to somehow touch the knees on the ground. The goal here is to feel a stretch in the inner thighs without causing any pain in your spine. And inhale, raise your hands up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, relax, relax, relax.